Hey, in this video, we're going to take a look at the Miufly Body Camera. Here's the box. It says here the evidence is out there. I'm thinking the evidence should be on this camera, I guess. So let's take a look at the key features. It's lightweight, rugged, waterproof, IP65, shock and vibration proof, multiple high definition and standard definition video formats. It has night vision capability, GPS coordinates recording, advanced security features, dash cam configurable, retrack pre-recording features. It comes in a 32 or 64 gigabyte version, one-handed operation. It comes with a docking station, USB charger and cable, user manual. It has a 360-degree belt clip and an epaulette clip. The dimensions: 94 by 60 by 31 millimeters and 5.6 ounces. It is made in China. So I removed the sleeve. Here's the box. Here's a label. This is the Miufly 1296P HD Water P, I'm assuming that's waterproof, in 32 gigabytes, and GPS. I already opened everything up, but I'm doing an unboxing for my viewers. First, here is a manual. Now, one thing I noticed is this is a well-written manual. Everything makes sense. It's in English, and it tells you everything you need to know. This is the camera. This is the charging and data transfer base. It has a mini USB connection. It comes with a standard belt clip. It has a cigarette lighter power adapter for your car with the mini USB connector. It comes with a USB to USB mini. Comes with a USB power block, 5 volts, 1.2 amps. And lastly, an epaulette clip. And if you look here, it says it's a 64 gigabyte version. So I believe this is 64 gigabytes, but I purchased a 32 gigabyte version. So thank you to whoever made that mistake. I have extra memory. So it does indicate 59.6 gigabytes available. So this is a 64 gigabyte version. So why did I select the Miufly Body Camera? Well, to be honest, this was never on my radar for actually purchasing. There were lots of others that I found more appealing visually, but I ended up choosing this one because it did get lots of positive reviews on Amazon, and many people had purchased it. And it does have all the features that I like, mainly because it can record for long periods of time. The size gives you that capability because it has room for a large battery. So here's the power button. You need to hold it down for 3 seconds to power it on or off. Here are 2 indicator LEDs. The one on the right turns a solid blue when charging, and when the LED turns off, the body camera is fully charged. It takes up to 4 hours to fully charge the body camera. This LED is in standby mode if it is a solid green. It blinks orange when recording audio, and it blinks red when recording video. This button here turns on a flashlight or activates the infrared LEDs for night vision if you have it set for manual mode. If you set the infrared LEDs for automatic, you don't need to use this button. This will only be used for the flashlight. Here's the front of the camera. Here are the two light sensors used for night vision. These two are the infrared LEDs. This is the 140-degree wide-angle lens. This is the white LED used for a light source or flashlight. These two holes here are the microphones. The speaker is located here. These buttons here. The start button is to mark your files that are important. Your video files, audio files, or pictures. The microphone button here, that's for recording audio. This is the camera button for taking pictures. This is the video button for starting video recording. You have the USB connection. This can be used for a direct connection to a USB power source or connection to your computer for transferring files. Here's an HDMI connection. Headphone and audio-visual connector. As you can see, the docking station is connected to power and the red LED will be on. You can drop the body camera into the docking station, but you do have to press down. The blue LED tells you that it's charging. If the USB cable is connected to your computer, you have access to the files on the body camera. For one-button video recording, find the video button here. Press and hold it down for 3 seconds. And you can tell it's recording. When you're done and you want to turn it off, press and hold the power button down for 3 seconds. And that powers it down. If you want to do one-button audio recording, find the audio record button. Press and hold it down for 3 seconds. You'll see this screen and it is recording audio. When you want to stop the recording, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. So if you want to review the recordings you have on your body camera, you want to first move the belt clip out of the way by twisting it. Power on the unit by pressing the power button for 3 seconds. Hit the middle button that says OK. That gives you this menu here. Use these two buttons here to move right and left. I selected video. Hit the center button that says OK on it. And then I have 3 videos to choose from. Again, you can use these two buttons here to move right and left. I selected this video. Hit the middle button that says OK to start the video. The middle button that says OK, that is pause and continue play. This button is actually mislabeled. While in play mode, you can use these two buttons here to actually fast forward or rewind. To go back, you want to hit the power button once really quick. That goes back. And you can just hold the power button to power it off. It is sundown, kind of low light, does not require the infrared LEDs. Okay, I'm turning on the infrared. This is at night with infrared LEDs on. Here are the pros. There's decent quality, high-resolution video and images. There's automatic infrared LED activation for night vision. There's an LCD screensaver to save on battery power. There's covert mode, so you can be recording video or audio, and the LED indicator lights will not be flashing or blinking. The body camera has password protection, so you cannot review the videos or audio recordings without entering a password. You cannot delete the files on the camera itself. The body camera needs to be connected to the computer, and you need to enter in the password before you can delete the files on the camera through the computer. The body camera is rugged and water resistant to a certain extent, and you can record video and audio by just pressing one button. Here are the cons. The size and weight. Now it's a trade-off. If you want a body camera that has all the features this one does, it will not be really small. It has to be a certain size for all the technology and the battery to fit into the unit. So it's kind of a trade-off, but it is still a negative for the size and weight. The actual weight is 6.77 ounces. The advertised weight is 5.6 ounces. And if you have to carry it all day, 8 hours a day, it does get kind of heavy. The audio recording sounded muffled, but still works. Now, I would also prefer a wider angle lens, greater than the 140 degrees that this camera has. The power on musical tune could be more subtle and lower in volume. Also, the carrying and placement of the camera on the body is kind of awkward. Now, I found a place to put the camera while recording. It's still kind of awkward. Thanks for watching my review on the Miufly Body Camera. I hope you found it helpful. I definitely recommend this camera. For the price and features, you can't go wrong. You can buy a more professional body camera made for police and law enforcement, but it'll probably cost you 4 or 5 times, maybe even 10 times as much. This is a great option for a low-cost quality body camera. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to see my future videos. And have a great day.